Hi, in this video, we'll look at how to check out ebooks from the library's website. The first thing you will want to do is log into your CCC portal. Once you have logged in with your CCC username and password, you'll see the round library search tool button in the middle of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the main CCC Libraries page, also known as Primo. Next, you are going to want to type what you are searching for in the white box. You can search by keyword, author, or title. I am going to do a keyword search for Día de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. So I'm going to go ahead over to the right-hand side of the screen, and I'm going to hit the magnifying glass, which is also the search button. The results show me that there are over 5,000 results. That is a lot, but we are going to narrow it down just to search for ebooks. You do that by clicking on the resource type, which is on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the down arrow and select books. Then you're going to apply the filter. And you should notice a big difference in terms of the quantity of the items available. You went from over 5,000 to just 86 results. So you're going to go ahead and look for a title. I'm going to click on a title. I'm going to go with this first one. And it will bring you to the book's information page. Please notice where it says View Online. You're going to click on this blue link under Full Text Availability. This will take you to the book's virtual location. You're going to want to click on the Access Now ebook button. You will be directed to the book online, the ebook. Please notice all of the available options by looking at the icons along the top on the upper right-hand corner. So you have the option to do a full ebook download. You can save this item, cite it, share it, print it. There's some details and then table of contents. Actually, and you can even do a search within the book. You'll see the table of contents. You can click that out and you can pretty much start reading your ebook. Happy reading!